We all know that a car starts off as a simple sketch or design. But have you ever thought about what it really takes to turn that idea into a fully functioning vehicle on the road? And who exactly is involved in making it happen? You might be surprised to learn that companies like Mahindra or Tata don't manufacture even a single part themselves. Let's dive into the key players that bring these cars to life and see what roles they play in the automotive industry. First up, we have got the OEMs. The big names you already know, like Ford, Toyota or Tesla. These are the guys designing and assembling the final vehicle. But here's the thing, they don't actually make all the parts themselves. They build some components like the body in white, or also called as BAW, and engines if they have the capability for it. They set the overall specification and standards for the car. And of course, they are responsible for managing the brand and building relationship with us, the customers. Now that we saw about OEMs, the next stage is Tier 1 suppliers. Let's talk about Tier 1 suppliers, and they are the real backbone of the automotive industry. These are the companies that are making majority of the parts that go into your car. For example, components like engines, transmissions, infotainment systems, tires, brakes, steering wheels, seats, you name it, Tier 1 suppliers are behind it. They work super closely with OEMs to ensure that part fits perfectly with the final product. Sometimes they even collaborate on designing and developing components together. Here's a fun fact. Tier 1 suppliers often hold patents on specific parts that they create. Now that you've heard about OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers, let's go to the third stage, GCCs, or Global Capability Centers. These are like the innovation labs of the automotive world. They handle specialized engineering and IT services for their parent companies, helping in developing cutting-edge technologies and new product ideas. You will often find GCCs in regions which are packed with talent, and they are usually part of the parent OEM company. We have covered three types of companies: the OEMs, the Tier 1 suppliers, and the GCCs. Finally, I want to come to the ER&D companies, which are also called as engineering, research and development companies, who are primarily the problem solvers and forward thinkers in this industry. These companies offer specialized engineering services to everyone we have mentioned above: OEMs, Tier 1 suppliers and GCCs. They bring innovative ideas to life by providing the engineering talent needed to tackle complex challenges, whether it is on-site or in their own companies. So there you have it. From the OEMs that bring us the final product to the Tier 1 suppliers that create almost all of the parts, and the innovation hubs and the engineering powerhouse pushing the industry forward. These are the players that make the automotive ecosystem tick. Together, they are the reason we get to drive safe, efficient and innovative cars every day. So now you have it, the ecosystem of people who work to build and manufacture cars. Thank you.